potential shift here. Trade like it's 2026, not 1996. It is Monday, March 9th. What's going on in markets today? We still have the Iran news going on. That's the big story. It's still dominating the headlines. We're seeing a pattern emerge here, which is the market dips overnight and pre-market, and then during the trading day rebounds or sort of stays channel bound. I think this pattern is going to continue. There's going to be days here and there that break the mold so that it's not too obvious. But in general, you're going to keep seeing this pattern of overnight dips followed by trading day rebounds. And that pattern, you got to watch the opening bell. The opening bell is tough because sometimes off the opening bell, you're going to see the bearish pattern continue for a little bit before we rebound higher. Sometimes the rebound's going to come right off the bell. But this pattern, I don't see it going anywhere for now. We've seen it a number of times last week. It looks like it's going to play out again today. So, that's what I would keep my eye on and look for. Overnight dips followed by rebounds in the morning, specifically mid-morning after the bell, and then afternoon sort of channel trading or, bound trading. In terms of longer term, look, I'm a day trader. I try not to swing trade or longer term plays, but, I'll give my take on it for what it's worth. I think oil's going to keep going up. I think the market is going to keep up this pattern of creeping lower. There might be the odd day here and there where there's an actual panic sell-off, but as a general rule, we're going to keep moving lower, followed by a bounce, moving lower, followed by, so it's going to happen gradually, the move lower, until this Iran story turns over, until we wrap things up there or some new chapter emerges. That's my take on the longer term. But like I said, I try to stick to each day is a fresh start. And today is playing out like we've seen a lot of other days play out, all right? We're seeing the overnight dip. The opening bell is going to happen. Maybe we dip off the opening bell, but I'm going to look for a move higher at some point this morning, followed by channel trading in the afternoon. All right, guys, stop trying to pick winners and start trying to be a winner. Good luck.